My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new ransomware, which is called Cmlocker. So this Cmlocker is a special ransomware that encrypts files. It damages the files by means of encrypting them. Before the ransomware attack, you can clearly see that you are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. All that can be opened easily without complications. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Cmlocker ransomware may do its malicious job. Pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. So the ransomware encrypts files and adds this Cmlocker extension to them. It appends this Cmlocker extension to the files and it's not possible to use them. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration, but keep in mind that paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. Don't pay the ransom. My video is solely for the demonstration or educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I recommend you to remove this nasty ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner. Through this green download button, install the program. Then click on Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your system. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Most likely, Combo Cleaner would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware or other malware. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but Combo Cleaner removes this ransomware and it helps to protect your data from being damaged in the future. Once again, please hear this phrase carefully. I don't want to give you any fake promises. Combo Cleaner would not recover your files, but it will remove this ransomware and it will protect your data from being damaged in the future. Use Combo Cleaner for protecting your system against any other possible ransomware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.